Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy on demand. You know, it's a funny business how all this stuff goes. We stay so busy in Atlanta, you can't see it, but if you could throw a rock through those trees right over there, we were just over at Carol and Dean's house fixing their chimney. And here we are back again at Mr. Allen's house. So this is masonite siding, and he's just let it go a little bit. I'm sorry it's getting a little dark out here, but we'll have to replace all of this. Masonite is basically 7 layers of cardboard, and they press it into a board. It's not a defective siding. If you caulk it and paint it well, it'll last forever. And he just forgot about this chimney for a while, so we'll replace all the corner boards on it. It's what we call grained and beaded. We only use James hardiplank siding. He's got some other repairs too to do, but he just wants to do this for right now, so that's all we're going to do for him, and change out a door. You can see where Woody Woodpecker's been up in there, and he's got a repair cut up there that someone didn't prime it, so it just rotted out. And that's kind of what started it. It started rotting in that joint up there, and then the woodpeckers heard the insect activity, and they start pecking, and they realized, oh, this could be a home. And it's kind of odd that the woodpecker did it this way, but he's actually getting into that chimney chase through that corner board right there. It goes right into the inside of the chimney. So you can see how bad it is now. You know, when you look at masonite siding, the test for it is to get along the side of it, and you won't be able to see it as well in the video here, but see the bottom edges, how uniform they are, tight. It's a little more shadow because it's starting to get dark now. I apologize for that, but that's really your test for the condition of your siding. Don't listen to salesmen that come out and tell you, oh my God, masonite siding, you got to replace all of it. No, you don't. If it looks like his chimney, yes, you do. And if you do have to replace it, you know, so many of y'all watch these videos from all over the country. So we're not in your market right now. We're mostly just in Atlanta and a couple smaller suburbs outside. We cover the whole metro area, but we started to get into Tennessee a little bit, and a little bit of Alabama. But don't get talked into it. And if you do have the spot replace it, you need to replace an entire row. You can't piece it in. The siding has a different dimension. And then if you're getting your house painted, you can't see it real well, but you see those black vertical lines, those are butt joints in the siding that just never got caulked. So he's got a little bit of repairs scattered around the house. Once he does this chimney, this is his biggest chunk right here, then he can budget to hand paint it. This siding will still be here 30 years from now if you take care of it. It's me and my brother and about 30 guys running all over Atlanta. Just be patient with us. We do everything except for swimming pools and air conditioning. We got a great air conditioning company that we can refer you to. Awesome people just like us, honest, straightforward, and reasonably priced. You can catch us at 770-912-2829. I'm Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.